class 11. As I was continuing with molarity and normality, today I will discuss few numericals based on normality. Previous class I discussed regarding molarity. This class I will discuss regarding normality. You see, normality has the formula. Normality is equal to mass of solute in gram divided by gram equivalent weight. GEM means gram equivalent weight of solute into volume in liters. Clear? Now unit of normality can be either N in bracket or gram equivalent per liter. Now first numerical I will discuss. 4.9 gram of sulfuric acid are mixed with water and the total volume becomes 500 ml. Calculate the normality of H2SO4 solution. Answer. By formula, normality equal to mass of solute in gram by GEM of solute, gram equivalent mass, into volume in liters. Mass of solute is 4.9 gram given in the numerical. GEM is 49 into 500 by 1000 because 500 milliliter used. So I am writing 500 by 1000. Clear? Molecular weight 98. So GEM becomes 98 by 2 because there are 2 hydrogen atoms in sulfuric acid. So GEM by 2. That is the molecular weight by 2. 98 by 2, that becomes 49. So I am writing 49 here. Solving it, I get 0.2 normal answer. Clear? In this way other numericals are there. See the other videos. Class 11. Now I will discuss regarding the second example after discussion of the first example. The second one is written in what proportion 0.5 normal solution of an acid is to be mixed with 0.3 normal alkali, so that the resulting solution will be 0.05 normal alkaline. That means you are adding 0.5 normal of an acid with 0.3 normal of alkali. Clear? To create an alkaline solution. In such a case, you require this kind of formula. N into V1 plus V2 is equal to N1 V1 minus N2 V2, where N is the normality of the mixture. V1 and V2 is total volume of the mixture. N1 V1 is the normality into volume of the alkali. N2 V2 is that of acid. Why? Because I have to make the resultant solution alkaline. So the alkaline product of normality and the volume should be higher than the acidic product of normality and the volume. So we write the substitute the values here and we got up with V2 by V1 ratio to be 5:11. Okay, this is how the working is to be done. Similarly, in the next time when we will see that acid solution of certain normality when mixes with another acid solution, the formula will come here plus N1 V1 plus N2 V2. Here minus because one is acid, other is base. Remember that one. We may discuss this later in other videos. So class 11. Now I will discuss the third numerical. As I was discussing 1 and 2 is already done with you. This is the third numerical. How much volume of decamolar solution of sulfuric acid is required to prepare 500 ml of solution with density 1.03 gram per milliliter and having mass percentage equal to 40%. Also calculate the molarity and normality of the resulting solution. So what are the things given here? Percentage by mass, density, volume. We have to calculate molarity and normality of this solution. First solution, let us begin with molarity of 40% sulfuric acid. What is the formula? We all know, we are all familiar with it, that percentage into 10 into density by molecular mass of sulfuric acid. It gives me 40 into 10 into 1.03 by 9.98, that is 4.20 molar. This is the molarity of sulfuric acid. Now let the volume of decamolar, that is 10 molar, decamolar means 10 molar. 10 molar sulfuric acid V VML. Then V into 10 equal to 4.2 into 500. This is some new formula, new substitution based on new formula. What is it? V1N1 equal to V2N2. This is called the dilution formula or the neutralization formula. Clear? Means this formula is required in different situations, like when you are diluting the solution or when you are neutralizing an acid and a base. Or V is equal to, I write 4.2 into 500 by 10, that is 210 milliliter. Now normality, this was all about molarity. Then I find out the volume, which is important for recording, for calculating normality. And next come normality. Normality equal to molarity into molecular mass by equivalent mass. This is another formula. That means equivalent mass into normality must be equal to molecular mass into molarity. Remember that. So normality based, I have discussed 4 equations. 2 we have already discussed before and 2 here. Okay, these all formula you need to learn. That means 4.2 into 98 by 49, that is 8.2 normal answer. So this is all about how you are going to solve this numerical up to this.